Hello friends, today I will explain a very important topic and so much easy. If you know integration, then this topic is very easy. Nothing is there. Actually, there are lots of formula to tell about that, but I am going to use a single formula, and using that you can calculate every time. Okay, I am going to explain Fourier series. So how we represent a given function in terms of sine and cosine series, that I am going to explain. Actually, I am giving the formula for a given function fx. Its Fourier series is a naught by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by l plus summation bn sin n pi x by l, where x lies between c to c plus 2l, whatever. Nothing matter here. Just what is matter? A naught represent constant term, an is coefficient of cosine series, and bn is a coefficient of sine series. As you know, importance of Fourier series is so much, because using this we are going to solve one-dimensional heat wave equations, and so other applications also are there. So how we calculate a naught, an and bn, for that one formula given, and that formula is, I am going to tell how we write the formula, and that is very important, and using single formula you can calculate every term, every time. So what is a naught? This is 1 by l c to c plus 2l fx dx. So always remember, formula contains three terms. One by l means what will come in denominator, then what is lower limit and what is upper limit. That's all. Then fx dx. What is an? 1 by l c to c plus 2l fx cos n pi x by l dx. And what is bn? c to c plus 12 fx sin n pi x by l dx. See, fx an is coefficient of cos n pi x by l. That's why cos fx into cos n pi x by l is there. And bn is a coefficient of sine. So that's why sine term is there. Now see, how whatever interval given, nothing matter. Just how we write L. What is upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. So L always you can calculate b minus a by 2. Whatever upper limit is there, no matter how many parts it's break, nothing matter. Just upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. That is your L. Just put L value here, and then lower and upper limit is just the limit. It's same like here. It starts from C and ends where? C plus 12. Means lower limit to upper limit. That's all. You have to write. This is the formula. You can apply for any question. Every question you can do this one. Suppose the function given x minus x square, and x lies between minus pi to plus pi. So what is L value here? Upper limit is pi, lower limit minus pi. Subtract pi minus pi, means 2 pi divided by 2 means pi. L value comes pi. Why? Because L is pi minus pi divided by 2. So L is pi. So what is a naught? 1 by L means 1 by pi, lower limit minus pi, upper limit plus pi, x minus x square fx dx. Now integrate. X integration x square by 2 one more time I will tell. Whenever you here in Fourier series especially, whenever you are putting the limits, so better you will simplify separate. When you put pi, what is the value? Pi square by 2 minus pi cube by 2. When you put minus pi, what is the value? Again pi square by 2 plus pi cube by 2. So this minus this means minus this, and this is also minus. So this is cancelled. How much? Minus 2 pi square pi cube by 3. Check it. So this is your A naught. Similarly, we are going to calculate AN value. What is AN? AN is 1 by L. C2 C plus 12 fx cos n pi x by L dx. So what is L value? L value is pi. 1 upon pi minus pi to pi. Fx is how much? X minus x square. Cos L value is also pi. So pi cancel. What will you get? Cos nx dx. So now integration for this. How we do? First into second. So Lie formula we use Eilert. So this is first and this is second. So first same to same. Integration of second. What is integration of second? Cos nx integration is sin nx upon n minus differentiation of this. So what is differentiation of this? 1 minus 2x. Integration means sin nx by n dx minus pi to plus pi. This is the work of integration only. If you know integration well, then nothing matters. Here 1 by n common again we have to do. So again first into second. So 1 minus 2x into same. Sin nx integration is minus cos nx upon n minus plus again 1 difference is minus 2 minus 2 minus by 2 plus by 2. And cos nx integration sin nx. Upon pi minus plus 1 by n square plus sin nx. Now put the limit. When pi, we know very well sin n pi value is 0 and cos n pi value is how much? Minus 1 to the power n. To use that one, what we get? Sin n pi 0, this one 0. Only this is remaining. What is that? X value pi. Minus 1 to n. When we put minus pi, again this one 0, this is 0, this one there. So minus Similarly, you can calculate Bn value. For Bn, what we have? Similarly, what is Bn? In place of cos, what we have? Sin. In place of cos, what we have? Sin. So sin nx differentiation cos nx, and here minus will come. So minus minus plus, and here cos will be there. Correct? Then x minus x square, here minus will be there, cos plus 1 by n outside, sin. First, same to same, cos nx differentiation sin nx by n. Okay, then minus plus 2 and cos nx differentiation sin nx by n dx. So x minus x square and minus cos plus 1 by n sin plus minus cos. So in last what we have, 1 upon pi minus x minus x square cos nx by n plus 1 by n square 1 minus 2x sin nx minus 2 pi n cube cos nx and limit minus pi to plus pi. What is the value? 1 upon pi, and you put pi. Pi means minus pi minus pi square minus 1 to the power n divided by n. Second term 0 minus 2 by n cube minus 1 to the power n. Then you put minus pi. So minus pi means plus minus pi square minus 1 to the power n by n plus this is your Pn. Once we have A naught, A and Pn, just here. What is A naught? Minus 2 pi square by 3. So it is 2 to cancel. So minus pi square by 3 plus summation An. An how much? An came something, just you put the value and cos n pi x by l. Summation Bn how much? That's all. This is the way how we write Fourier series. So only one formula is sufficient for each and every type of question. Nothing matter either function given. Suppose function given in part wise. Here a and b and here x minus pi to 0, then x 0 to pi. Nothing matter. What is upper limit? Pi. What is lower limit? Minus pi. So what is the difference? Pi. Means 2 pi divided by 2 means L value is pi. Okay. Then for integration we break the limit minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. But for L value we calculate by that way only. So use this method and calculate for each and every question whatever given for Fourier series. Nothing matter. You can do it easily. Again, if any doubt, please feel free. Thank you.